Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
At the outset, I would like to thank MANIPAL group of hospitals for having invited me as a chief guest for a very noble cause. I know Dr. Prabhu Prasad very well because he is one of our own pulmonologists in Goa and doing a very creditable and noteworthy work. It's a very good initiative. I would like to congratulate you in particular for having taken this initiative.
So it is very unique and complex disease, asthma. So we need to identify group of patients who needs a right treatment in a right way, in right therapy. Not all asthma patient needs one kind of asthma. As of now, all over the world, treatment is like that. But the treatment is changing from one particular focused treatment to a targeted treatment, to a broader treatment. And
Nathan has rightly said pediatric group is very important because they are they cause a lot of psychological upset in the schools when they carry on with those cough and they can't play together with their peers. Sends a very bad. First time I have realized that there is a psychological impact also because of this treatment, because carrying this in the hand in the school, it will send a wrong signal to the others. So people don't take that to the school and then they suffer. So I am really thankful for Prabhuji for initiating this. I hope more and more people will get benefit out of it.